Are you tired of plain text and want to take your content to the next level? In this video, I will show you how to transform your text into engaging videos that will captivate your audience and bring your text to life. So let's get started and turn your text into visual masterpiece. So just launch your browser and search for lensgo.ai. On your right hand side, click on text to video. From here, you select your image dimension. So there is a list of dimensions, so you just click on one to select. After selecting your image dimension, you scroll down and then select your video duration to. It's either you want it normal or you want it long. You scroll down again and select your camera movement. So there is a list of camera movement here. I will select none. Then I will go ahead and type my text to be generated. Okay, so before we type our prompt, there's a button here written on it, upload a video. This is where you can add a reference video to your prompt. And also, Lensgo AI is having a list of prompts you can select from. So you just click here and then select a prompt from here. If you are not having any prompts, it's about 8 prompts. So you can select from these ones too. I'm already having the text typed or the prompt ready, so I'll just click on paste and then click on generate to turn my text into a video. It is generating, so you wait for some few minutes. Our video is ready, so let's click on play and see how it looks like. The prompt was about a lion on a mountain, so it looks exactly as I wrote. Let me download by clicking here, and it is downloading. Okay, it has downloaded. Let's try adding a reference video too and see how the prompt will look like. So we click on upload video. We are not changing the prompt, so you just click on upload video. Then we select our preferred video. So let me select this one. The video is ready, so let me click on generate to generate the video based on the reference video. So it is generating. Okay, the reference video together with the prompt is also ready, so let me play and see how that one too looks like. Okay, that's how it looks like. There is a download button below the video, so if you want to download, you just click on it and wait for some few seconds. It will be downloaded. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, and also don't forget to like this video too. Thank you for watching.